Today, we are going to cover how you, or anyone in your organization, can easily retrieve a Snappy gift link from the Snappy dashboard and have it sent directly to your email via Google Forms. We are going to do this with the help of a workflow automation tool and our integration partner, Zapier. Once the form is submitted, Zapier will retrieve the gift link from the Snappy dashboard and send it to the gift requester's email address. There are 3 applications that will be used for this workflow: Google Forms, Snappy, and Gmail. To build this Zap, you will need to create the Google Forms used in the Zap. Create the form with associated questions. The most critical piece of information here is the requester's email address, so Zapier knows where to send the gift link to. After the survey is completed, link the responses to a Google Sheet. Then fill out one sample response in the form. Save the form and associated sheet in your Google Drive or any shared company folders in your Drive. Next, create the campaign and associated funding source in the Snappy dashboard. If you're not familiar with creating a campaign, click the link in the description box below for a full video run-through of that process. Note that only spot campaigns will work with Zapier. Now you're ready to create the Zapier automation. First, log into your Zapier account and click on Create Zap. Enter your trigger app, Google Forms, and the event, New Response in Spreadsheet. Choose and log in to your Google account through Zapier. To set up the trigger, enter the spreadsheet and worksheet that is associated with the form. Don't forget to test the trigger to make sure the data presented is correct before moving forward. Next, set up the Snappy Send Gift action that you want to happen after the trigger. Enter the Action app, Snappy Gifts, and the event, Send Gift. Choose and log in to your Snappy account through Zapier. To set up the action, choose the respective Snappy campaign that you created earlier and set the gift sending method as Generate Gift Link in Zapier. For recipient first name, last name, and email address used for dynamic text, choose the corresponding value from the dropdown. As always, make sure you test the action to make sure the data presented is correct. Lastly, press the plus button to add another action with Gmail. Select the Gmail app and the Send Email event. Choose and log in to your Google account through Zapier. The next step allows for you to set up the email in any way you want. However, the mandatory fields are the to, subject, and body fields. To make sure that the requester receives the email, in the To drop-down field, select the form trigger and then the requester email. To add the gift link that was generated from Snappy in the subject, you can click on the Subject drop-down, select Snappy Gifts action, and select Gift URL. This will make sure that every new form entered will have a unique gift URL sent with the email. You can also add your own custom text that will be sent in every email. You can then test that action to make sure that the email was sent to the appropriate address. Turn on the Zap, and you are ready to send out the form to all the gift requesters you want. Happy gift sending!